The mineral resources we have in Rwanda are unbelievable. But where have we gone wrong as a nation? Why are we bound by a man who refused to give in to the will of the people of Zimbabwe for so long? 2018 is a watershed election. The election which was 40 years since independence. In other words, it's a generational election. That election is another generation that we are getting into from 1980 because a generation is 40 years. So there is a great opportunity we have as the people to make sure that we make things all right in 2018. Now, ndinakukuzai zvinhu zvishoma pamusoro pevokareretas of Zimbabwe and also as an alliance. Ndinakukuzai kuti Zimbabwe is where it is today because leadership has failed us. The failure of Zimbabwe has been a failure of leadership. Despite zvese zvatinazvo nyika yedu haisi kuinzirwe zvakanaka. Why? Because leadership has failed. So what are we doing as leadership in the opposition to make sure that 2018 hazvikoni vakanyanya kuti zvisakona 2018? Well done. Well done. Last we have 7 different political players, political parties. I have 7 things I want to tell you which we have done as opposition political parties to make sure that we don't fail like ZANU-PF, we don't fail like Mugabe, and also that the generations which are coming won't judge and condemn us. There are 7 things that we have done today with my fellow leaders. First and foremost, what we've done as opposition leaders, we came together, takauya pamwe chete, tikabatana kurwira electoral reform. Takanzwisa kuti Mugabe unodira election through in an even electoral playing field. Saka takawirirana kuti nyika inomukanyatiza mese pakasara vaMugabe tomboti kana neni kana navatsvangirai vakaenda kuelection vari 2 overengwa munobva manzoti Mugabe munozoutora asara naye 1 Mugabe 4 kuti mwatsvakekubia nokuti anodira zvese election. Saka we want first to make sure there is an even electoral playing field. So we came together as different opposition players and fought for electoral reform. That's number 1. And that resulted in the coming BVR, biometric voter registration. Here I could put a picture of the fingerprint. So we could have voted as ZANU this time around. Thank you. The second thing that we've done through the process of fighting for electoral reform, we've also come to trust each other. We've come to know each other and also appreciate each other. It's not easy to take us another brigadier Mtambara, to take us another opposite political players as I. But because of that process, we've come together. So we've built the bridge of trust as a second thing. Number 3, we are also fighting to register people through BVR. Registration in Chikotanga, Gatita Nation, voters roll when voter registration begins. So that's the third thing we are encouraging people. Point number 4, we are building a coalition. As different opposition political parties, let us build a coalition. This is why now you see us. You see, I'm very young. And I put 40 years in 93 years. You see that. So we have to get the people to say, let us build a coalition and work together. So this is the 4th achievement. Then the 5th achievement we've identified as Transform Zimbabwe and with other players. We are endorsing one political player to represent us in 2018. And I will mention that player today. So we believe we can all run now President Morgan Tsvangirai. We believe he is a fighter. He has fought for many years this dictatorship. And we will support him and give him the necessary tools together to make sure that we change Zimbabwe next year. Number 6 is that we will vote and make sure we will vote and win the election. election in 2018. That is a generational election and we can't go wrong. We can't go wrong. So that's point number 6. My last point, the 7th point is that voter. We know in 2008, but she's a right when the rule of the make sure we stay on the papers and defend the vote until victory is declared. All the young people we have, let us be ready to fight for justice and democracy. Is why freedom won't come cheap. But we have to have the tenacity and the strength to make sure we fight and change our Zimbabwe. We love you. Let's register to vote and let's vote for this alliance. For president, we vote for the alliance. God bless you. Professor Welshman President Pangrai. President Emma parties ese aripano naso sorry leadership of all the parties who are here today. Sorry Professor Harare.
I want to start by saying my negotiators in my party's essay for working round the clock and for a job well done. Amtope Makorokoto, thank you very much to all of you. Today is a historic day. Today is the beginning of the march for the final lap. Like the children of Israel, we have gone round and round and have not gotten to Canaan. But by signing this agreement today, as Comrade BT noted, we are committing and recommitting ourselves. Those of you who were there in 1999, tichivumelana ne-agenda for change. The working people's agenda for change. Takavumelana on the 5 priority issues. For Women's Bureau in 1999. We are going back to those 5 priorities. Leadership has FCTU, Yagati. They will write the manifesto for us. But manifesto yacho tainyora. In 1999. Zvakaitika is that we diverted from that agenda for change. We made mistakes along the way. And we must admit before you today and say we are sorry for those mistakes. We are here today to correct those mistakes. We have defeated Mugabe before and we are going to defeat him again next year. Because they are said too late. We know what is ZANU-PF, Mugabe, equals hunger, equals poverty, equals joblessness, equals all the problems of this country. So we know what we have to do is to remove ZANU and Mugabe from power. Anything else is besides the point. Program yekutonga, program change, tinayo. Tenda? Gogola? I want to conclude by this. The document we signed today, as my colleagues have said, in that document we have agreed parties ese are 7. Nema parties achajoina as we go on. And mark my words, bachajoina as we go along, because we have the momentum yebanu. We are saying to President Morgan Tsvangirai, let us finish what we started. Let us peace alliance so that we can finish that job. Sithe umsebenzi lo awunzima. Asisoze sehlulwe yikhefu elehlule ukugqoka ingwane. Senja Maitilo Gokola, I want to thank all of you for coming today to witness this historic event, to witness the beginning of the final match to defeat ZANU PF and Robert Mugabe. Next year,
Thank you very much. Lotenda Professor Wolfgang Nguga Guruna Buriko. My President, chunhu chamaka pano nhasi, chunhu chakakosha. Mavaka musha. Asi musha zvinotaurwa zvanzi hatichadi kuzvinzwa unogona wanikwa gonzo. So, Zani reminder, poem young primary. Is the house that Jack built. This is the house that Jack built. And this is the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the cat that chased the red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the dog that chased the cat that killed red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the cow with the cupboard one that was the dog that chased the cat that killed the red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the priest Osha Beneshon that milks the cow with the crumbled one that chose the dog that chased the cat that killed the red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. And this is the cock that crows in the morning that awakens the priest Osha Beneshon that milks the cow with the crumbled one that chose the dog that chased the cat that killed the red that ate the mill that lay in the house that Jack built. This is the house that Jack built. Tinotenda matore. We are good Paulos. We are good Paulos. Sausa mableche kama kumbo. Sausa mableche kama kumbo. Tabuda buyabuka. Zimbabwe. Wasina kusuka na kwa Zimbabwe. Bakure tinoda kuyambuka zvakaita shona nokutenda. Ine bakure tinoda kuyambuka zvakaita shona nokutenda. Hapo ine bakure tinoda kuyambuka nokutenda. Hapo ine bakure tinoda kuyambuka Zimbabwe zvarema toda kuyambuka zvakaita shona nokutenda.
Oh, good. Oh, nice. Professor Mule, Babiti, Bamtambara, Babuchutu, na Amasarira Udonga, Agabilwa, na Mapano, na Vangari Fume, President WTZ. I feel highly humbled by your statements of support, the statement of endorsement of the greatest president in the history of this country. How do we get the democratic breakthrough that we have been fighting for the last 2 decades? Nema minister Mugabe washenda kuupani nasogana asma kusenda kuna chombo burudi ebi ndio kuinda face yema youth nikajia ngoza mdara youth nini ndio bana kuita mainda face yema youth pete hiyo. When you have destroyed the country, where is the future of these children? So no one out, it's a waste of time. Varume nemadzimai muripa tiri kusangana because takateerera zvamakadhimanda, takateerera kuti for everything else to happen in this country, tinoda kuti ma-opposition parties mubatane. Vamwe havamo pano, the democratic voices, some may not be here, but I want to say that they shall join us. And the Isuzu, in the very spirit we have set this journey, we want to say everyone is welcome. Zimbabweans, let me just say, this demonstration of unity in Zimbabwe, the convergence for the need for change cannot be challenged. We have traveled this journey together and we will complete it together. Yes. We have, for the last 20 years, embarked on this journey against this dictatorship. Zvamunozivawo inini yokuti mwana akazvarwa 1980 ezvino akutoenda kunovhota. Imi semaZimbabweans ndimi makadhimanda this unity. And today we have graduated tasumuka kubva in this needless and unhealthy competition. Let me just say here, in a historical trace, Vamtamba, Munoziziva as liberation struggle heroes. With that stage of liberation, Payana Pera, Amunawita the next liberation, which is to give the people of Zimbabwe the freedom they deserve. Isuzu as a democratic movement, we have entered for the last 20 years the struggle to ensure that democratization is irreversible. We are not yet there, but I want to assure you, we will be there. We will be there. We will see it in our lifetime, this irreversible democratic transition. Chinosabisa vanhu kuti vasava interest vachikwesera about zvinotibatsirei kuenda kunovhota. It's because constantly for the last 20 years or 30 or 40 years, Mugabe rule, there is no positive contribution for those people to go and vote. But we are saying we are cutting that by doing this unit demonstration, by setting ourselves on this journey. We are giving you the hope that change is possible in our lifetime. There is a saying, alone we can go fast, but together we can go far. No, Maya is individuals. But now we are going to go far. And I want to assure you that this demonstration is a demonstration you could define a hope, confidence, and honest pursuit of the freedom of Zimbabwe. So ziziva kuti tabatana pano sema-political parties. Hazvisi nyore. Kuna a question out why. And they will fight to the hilt to destroy this experiment. A coalition, and some people might even ask, why do we need a coalition? Then these are but as long as you are not able to change the president, that is the challenge why a coalition is important. It is to stop fragmentation. It is to ensure that Kanataka Batana abandons the excuse. Mugabe hana excuse yokubika kana vanhu vakabatana. But kana Mwari vachipera chizipo chete zvonzi takapinda nepapa nokuti vanhu havanga vasina kubatana. We are saying today, and I want to plead to my colleagues, kuti this convergence haingorei ma-political parties. Tinoda Labour, tinoda ma-church, kana n'anga, vechipostori, kana chii, vese ngatibatanei in our strong voice that this country needs change. And it is that change which is going to deliver hope to the people of this country. So today, beyond the party slogans, beyond the party symbols, we are saying what unites us is more than what divides us. Chandinoda kusimbisa pano ndechekuti kuti kubatana we are not coalition, I'm going to pronounce it. about coalition, what coalition? Kutaura kuti vana veZimbabwe they are uniting for a better. Ndozozwa vamwe ini ndaruza siti uyu ndaruza chakati aiwa. Your seat is not going to deal with the problems in Buya Charakuda. Even if it was give you all the seats, does that translate into the transformation that we are looking for? How do people benefit because you are now a member of parliament? How do people benefit because you are now a councillor? Let's move away from this position-oriented to the strategic objective of delivering the people of Zimbabwe. So, Dora Mutenga, my negotiators, Yedu, well, DC. Tapana sit. Because it's not gonna. See, at the end of the day, don't be selfish. Zivai kuti siti iyoyo ndeye vana veZimbabwe kwete yangu. Andinozvizwa. Ndinoda kuti bvise mweya. Sometimes Satani anombouyawo owana pokupika napo. Isusu kunotazodai ndotoseka zvangu kuti vatavetsama. Uroyi kukukurwa nembwa muso waanotanga kunoroya. Ko objective yatinayo inobata basa munhu wese hausi kuiona. Nyika ino yaurawa uri kuzviona wega. So how do we extricate ourselves from that kind of quagmire? Tinozvisumudza sei? Tinozvisumudza chete pakutanga zvataita izvi. Vabiti, vanuye, sakritesi, andimoziva. Vamwe vaitotakuza kuti hamusuda kubatana sei. Andidira. Ndobva ndati inini nyoka huru haizvirumi. Vanuye uyai kuno. Vabiti uyai kuno. Chinja! Maizera ako, they can confirm this. Vakomana mauya pano. This is the first time we are meeting since 2005. Sure. Because you know nyaya is about legacy. Ndona kuti muri vaviri neniwo ndizvibvunze kuti what legacy are we leaving to the country? Do we want to be associated with the failure to have change in this country for the sake of the people of Zimbabwe? Those are kuzikana nazvo here kana kuti you were part of the process that transformed this country and helped change it. And I'm glad to say, I think everyone had serious introspection. All these years, you are Gachibachi. So why have we wasted our effort for the last 10, 4 years? I am sure that the two of them has a similar introspection. That's why it's not just the unity of the political parties and conventions of the civic organization. The second common is the second position is that we must have a common agenda. This country has been destroyed. And we need a rescue plan, which we have. We need a rescue plan about the economy, about health, about education, about unemployment, about youth deprivation. We need a rescue plan for this country. Mabondi ikaenga zara mabondi. Manje nyara izenyu. Pamuloisa isuzu mabondi anopera. Our agenda is based on 5 key areas. So we have to change the governance culture in this country. Because if you don't change that culture, you will be the same as ZANU-PF. And the culture of Nigeria is ZANU. Violence, corruption, name it, ZANU. We have to transform the institutions of state so that they serve the people of Zimbabwe and they don't serve a party or a person. Jinjaiwe. Aitiragwa. Ini ndoda kuti patinongopinda totaura neSouth Africa. Toti isusu vakomana ukumusha kwedu hatina mari yakaitaurwa nogara yakutongoyo saka tiikuita samanagement mombotipawo marati tiserisa titsvaka kugadzira Zimbabwe dola ine vao maindastry ndakutaura nyaya yeeconomy. Economy ino haisumuki without the confidence that is being created by the MPs. Last time, vakatidaidza kuti uyai mutibetsera kuwana zvinhu zvangu. Taenda paya neGNU takavagadzirira. Asi hatichakuti ichi zvaipano. Tikachiitai, nhasi ari kupi? Masanction. Ubatsirei. Saka regerai tikuudzei kuti we have a plan. We have a governance plan, we have an economic plan, and we have a social intervention plan. Iye zvino ndinokuudzai kuti pane vanhu vanoda kuita mahospitari to rehabilitate infrastructure in hospital. The moment the MDC allies into power, you will ensure that the rehabilitation is going to be drastic. Uzazvizongota kana vezano vanozvibvira izvi. Asi kuroma azobvunza udaro wedu. Aenda chinamasa kunobvunza kuti mazano tauya nezimpresinoza zimashe. Anobvunza udaro vasumudza maoko zva nai minisa. Pazimashe zvitenga apa pana zvavira here. Zvikazaayoimba unoona zvakawira asi wakadyiswa. Zvikazaa maizimutasi chai haisenzi. Jinjaiwe. Vaitiragwayo. The other important issue for policy agenda is that my business. You are better off with an MDC economic plan than to Pamba Mari ZANU-PF. I am so sure that Mari MDC is right on the farm. You don't know what. But we want to assure you, we are going to revive this economy in the most vibrant way. How many of a country, you don't hear in so much wealth, and the people are so poor. Kana machina wala nyika notice wala machina. Akuti sina nyika hiyo. Mtao na machina mtao na mazona. Chinjaye. Aitira ba. Chino. No doubt that. Varume. Uzatai Roma shumare baba babani. Zana hii. Kurudi bana ba. Bani kwendo nguna na kuzai. Chijama to wazimane gangare mu. Kana bai bobia kwendo nguna to na market. Charge kwamwe. Adimon. Shirinja. Lola guy, kutenda political parties ese vaendosa kuti vatsvangirai tibatireiwo tione kuti isvike patoda handiti takutendai naizvozvo. haisi nyore kuma-negotiators kuti ugoda vatsvangirai zvavatilinde iwo ina presa ada kutanga kutamudza wake but vanhu vakaona kuti we are putting the people and the country first. Tichagara pasi tichironga maererano ne putting these organizations into election mode. Hatidi kuzwa munhu isiri pamwe chete vatungamiriri pasi apo votanga kurovana isichibva tichifamily election. Handimazvizvo? Takuita zvirwirangwe manje chokuti tipedzise ndima yakasara. 2018 takarohwa nezveusiku but tichapera zvavo. Chikuririse chimwe ndovatokuudzai. Chikuririse chimwe rwendo rwuno toda kuona kwavakaromba izvi. Kutungamirira vanhu kunodetsa nokuti kusunga vadhongi nemombe. But chinhu chandifadza ndochokuti hatisiri pamwepo. Handiti? Ndoda kuti mumwe umwe pano, because the next stage is actually to have a serious program of campaign against ZANU-PF. So patichaita macandidate tochiziva chinhu chimwe chete, we are one. So until one, we must not fight each other. We must unite, fully knowing that vana vabva kure asa vana kuneti and kusaneta ikoko. That is the resilience that is going to see us through to the final victory. Ndoda kuti abia ma-leaders vauye pano tichilonja this initiative vamwe
msandonezeka.
Aiwa, uweze kisi. Apana ura ni bana, ongereni.
Sorry.
Zimbabwe oye! Zimbabwe oye! I want together, stronger. I want agenda. Maida yenyu yao.
I was looking at them very much better than Gara. Chagabuita Ivozino, Pane Keke Rilipo, Keke la candidate. Chagabuita is symbolic. The good person going to my election hapa. Chagabuita national case.
The coalition is on track,
No, we're happy with at least Matare do they hit our voice ekuti ngavabatane tiumbe chisungo chimwe chete Zimbabweans. We are strong and together we will cross over. Yes, Matara, pamwe chete sevana venyika imwe sevana vedunhu rimwe. We will sail through, why not? We can, we will, and we must. Zimbabwe ichanaka.
Basket, go,